Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add about your on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. You just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on your name, just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go above edit here, just click on it. When just click here on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on view, just click on it. And here add your view in this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.